Hello girlies, welcome to my vlog. Today I want to show you how I stay productive in my everyday life. For me, productivity starts in the morning. I like to begin my day slowly, setting a calm mood, taking care of myself, and getting organized before I jump into anything. And after that, I go get my water ready because I always try to stay hydrated from the morning. It really helps with my energy and my skin throughout the day. I make my breakfast. Today it's yogurt with fresh strawberries and a little bit of chocolate. It's simple, but it makes me feel good. For me, chocolate in the morning just eat different. And girly, be honest, who else loves chocolate in the morning like me? Tell me in the comment. I always use my journal to plan my day. I write down what I need to do, even the small things. I don't try to do too much at once, but I just focus on doing things step by step. And I also pick out my outfit, and so everything is ready and I feel organized. But now I'm doing my skincare and I use my Medicube set, toner and serum and Laneige cream to keep my skin deeply hydrated and soft. And I love it so much because it helps my skin feel fresh, smooth and give me a healthy glow. Unfortunately, I went to use my Laneige cream, but it's finished. I was honestly sad because I really love this cream and it makes my skin so soft and smooth. So I definitely need to buy another one because it's a must-have in my routine. And I received glass food storage containers, and I was really excited about this because they are super useful for meal prep and staying organized. They make it so much easier to store food when you are working, and plus they look really aesthetic too. If you are someone who loves staying organized like me, you should definitely try these containers. They are perfect for keeping everything neat, fresh, and easy to manage. During the day, I focus on small routines like skincare, taking care of my hair, cleaning a bit, and doing laundry. This little habit helped me stay on track and feel more productive without stress. And also, try to keep my space clean because when my environment is calm, my mind feels calmer too. And at the end of the day, I go back to my journal again. I reflect on what I did, what went well, and what I can improve for tomorrow. And so, yeah, this vlog is just me showing you that productivity can be soft, simple, and consistent. Goodbye, girlies. Okay, girlies, that's it for today. See you in the next vlog. Bye.